Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix finger sensor not working problem in your Redmi smartphone. So sometimes your hands are dusty or oily, so some smartphone do not detect the fingerprint sensor. So first you have to clean your hands. Secondly, if it is not sensor your fingerprints in it may be your fingerprints lines may be removed for some of the reasons, so you can just do it taking another fingerprint sensor. So firstly click on fingerprint, tap on it to enable it, and now you have to enable it like this. Add your fingerprint here. If you have chosen your thumb, then you can go for another finger like this. So you can add it again. You can add many as you can. You can add 2 finger, 3 finger, and like this, and click on add. So you can see it is added successfully. Now turn off your device and you can see it is now working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.